For the blind deer? Ben, are you okay? Ben, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Ben? Come on, your first joke died. Well, I said a pun. There will be more puns. If you go back to the VST, there are plenty of puns.
They come best naturally.
Yeah.
I'm going to reject that one because they no longer exist here.
Much like my Instant Pot, actually.
Wait, what?
Well,
What's much like your Instant Pot?
Puns come best when they come naturally, much like my Instant Pot.
Yes.
I like to do the slow release.
Exactly. Yep. I appreciate this challenge more than anything else. This is a get out of jail free card. Use this to mark any challenges completed, one-time use only.
Wow.
I feel like they don't have the power, but I like the moxie.
Wait, did we use it for that challenge?
That's
it is complete
wow.
in and of itself.
It is self-completing.
I'm losing my mind.
Pardon?
I'm losing my mind with Ian's clicking. Like it's so horrible.
So if I could hear my horn.
All right, fine.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Thank you.